Divyanka Tripathi and husband Vivek Dhaya have won Nach Baliye 8, and Abigail Pandey and Sanam Johar grabbed the second spot. 10 celebrity couples came to Nach Baliye 8 to be judged by Terence Lewis, Sonakshi Sinha and Mohit Suri, and Divyanka Tripathi and Vivek Dhaya trumped them all. Their competitors were Abigail Pandey, Sanam Johar and Sanaya Irani Mohit Sehgal, who gave it their best, but the Ye Hai Mohabbatein star emerged the winner. Abigail and Sanam Johar were the runners-up in the competition, while Sanaya and Mohit stood third. The couple has won the trophy Rs 35 lakh as prize money and sponsored jewelry worth Rs 10 lakh. The guest star of the finale was Ranbir Kapoor, and all the contestants shook a leg with the star on the number Galti Se Mistake from his upcoming film Jagga Jasoos. Divyanka will be celebrating her first wedding anniversary in July. TV's favorite Bahu and husband Vivek Dhaya showed off their romance many times on Nach Baliye 8. They started with simple romantic routines but grew stronger with each episode. They were undeterred by Divyanka's injury, and the couple continued to give impactful performances. Their strong fandom stood by their TV idols and voted them into safety every time. In an exclusive interview to Spotboy, Divyanka had revealed the struggle she went through while competing in Nach Baliye 8. I undergo physiotherapy sessions every day after the rehearsals. My left foot has a fracture and my right leg has a ligament tear, which I came to know only after I started dancing on Nach Baliye 8. The fracture has healed but wrongly, so I have to be very careful. My ligament tear is the worst and my ankle twists at the first opportunity. I cannot perform without an ankle support. We choose steps which do not damage my injury further. We don't do spins on my right foot. We don't do steps which are hard on my back. If I have to do certain steps which my back will find tough to withstand, I do certain core exercises that week so that I can hold myself. And now all the hard work has paid off, and the fans have once again voted for Divyanka and Vivek and made them Nach Baliye 8 champions. Congratulations to the couple.